Imagine if the secret to longevity was hidden within our very cells. Intriguing, isn't it? At the heart of every cell lies a remarkable structure known as DNA, the blueprint for our entire being. Now picture this, at the ends of each DNA strand there are protective caps, much like the plastic tips on shoelaces that prevent fraying. These are called telomeres. They play a crucial role in preserving the integrity of our DNA during cell division. But here's the catch. With each replication, these telomeres gradually shorten. This process is akin to the ticking of a biological clock, leading to cellular aging and, ultimately, cell death. It's a bit like our cells have a built-in expiry date, determined by these telomeres. So could the key to a longer, healthier life lie in these tiny yet crucial structures called telomeres? Now what if we told you there's a way to slow down this natural shortening of telomeres? Enter ImuRegen, a unique blend of essential nutrients and bioactive compounds meticulously designed to nourish and protect our DNA. ImuRegen isn't just a nutritional supplement, it's a product of cutting-edge research and innovative technology. It's like a shield, a guardian of the genetic blueprint that makes you, you. It works by targeting the key pathways involved in cellular aging and oxidative stress, two major factors that contribute to the natural shortening and eventual depletion of our telomeres. Now you may wonder, how does it achieve this? ImuRegen's unique formula is loaded with bioactive compounds that help combat oxidative stress. This essentially means it fights off harmful free radicals that can damage our DNA and speed up the aging process. Moreover, ImuRegen supports cellular longevity by slowing down the rate at which our telomeres shorten with each cell division. It's like adding more sand to the hourglass of your cellular life, providing your cells with more time to function optimally and promoting overall vitality. In essence, ImuRegen is more than just a supplement. It's a strategic approach to cellular health and longevity, a potential ally in your fight against aging at a cellular level. So whether you're seeking to preserve your youthful vigor or simply looking to support your overall health, ImuRegen could be a game changer. ImuRegen, possibly your pathway to a longer, healthier life. So, are you ready to unlock the secrets of your cells? Now's the time to take a step towards cellular longevity and vitality. ImuRegen awaits you. Click the link in the description box below to learn more about how this unique formula can help nourish and protect your DNA. And remember to stay updated on the latest in science and health. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell. Until next time, keep exploring the wonders of your own biology.